Question number 25. Find the equation of the plane through the line of intersection of the planes ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 and alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z plus delta equal to 0 and perpendicular to the xy plane. So we have two planes. Let's call this plane P, ax plus by cz plus d equal to 0, and plane Q, let's call this alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z plus delta equal to 0. Now the plane which passes through the intersection of these two planes given by p plus lambda q equal to 0, which means ax plus by plus cz plus d plus lambda into alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z equal to 0. Now it is given that this plane, let's call this plane 1. This plane 1 is perpendicular to the xy plane. So let me rearrange the plane equation of the plane 1. A plus lambda alpha b plus lambda beta b plus lambda gamma z plus b plus lambda equal to 0. Let's call this. So now it is given plane, the plane represented by equation 2 is perpendicular to the xy plane. So let's just xy plane, let this be xy plane, and we am randomly drawing a plane which is perpendicular to, let this be xy plane, okay, and this be plane 2. We have plane 2 like this. Now as you can see, then if you draw a normal to plane 2 and a normal to plane 1 or xy plane, it will be perpendicular. The normals will be perpendicular. What is the normal to the plane xy and direction ratios? If you construct a normal to the xy plane, the direction ratio of such a normal will be of the form 0, 0, 1 or 1, or say any this is direction cosine. Direction cosine will be of the form 0, 0, 1, and normal to the this plane is all, we already know that it is a plus lambda l, b plus lambda b, or a plus lambda alpha, sorry, a plus lambda beta, sorry, b plus, and b plus lambda gamma. This is the direction cosine of this line. Sorry. This normal. So these two lines are perpendicular. So applying the cos theta is equal to, inside when two lines are perpendicular, cos theta d1 d1. Here we get direction cosine. If you dot product these two, we get 0 into a plus lambda l, 0 into a plus lambda alpha, plus 0 into plus lambda beta, plus 0 sorry 1 into b plus equal to 0. Or if you simplify this, we get lambda is equal to minus c by gamma. So we got our lambda. Now we just have to apply this to equation 2. A plus lambda, a minus c by gamma x plus b minus c by d 0. So here, as you can see, gamma goes, and this whole term goes to 0. And simplifying the rest, we get, and multiplying throughout by gamma, we get a gamma minus c x b gamma. Yeah. So this whole term went to 0. So d this is our equation. Oh, is there any simplification possible? So this is the final required equation. So these are the steps. So this is the solution to question 25.